Not from aliens, not from terrorists, and not from nuclear bombs, but from something which is less obvious, something which is called waste. When this waste is being dumped into the landfills or is being burnt, it causes severe land and air pollution. The Delhi and NCR weather in past of the few days have given us an apt picture of what we are going to pass to our younger generation if we will not do something about it right now, today. Someone once said, our legacy is defined from what we leave behind. But I would say that our legacy will one day be defined from what we will not leave. I would like to welcome Mr. Gururaj Ballarwar, Mr. Parag Bagde, Mr. Harish Gupta, Mr. Ajay Agarwal, Mr. Arunesh Bansal, Mr. Ashish Gupta to please on the stage, to please be on the stage. Friends, please, a round of applause because they are the people who dedicatedly worked to make this sustainability program a success. I will also request Mr. Pankaj Bhardwaj and our guest for tonight, Mr. Indrajit Ghosh, to please be on the stage also. Joined us, Mr. Bhupender Singh. I just
Viewers, you're watching the Policy Times and आज हम आए हैं एडवांटेज वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट प्रोग्राम की लॉन्च के प्रोग्राम में जो कि एवरी डेनिसन और ALPS एसोसिएशन कोलैबोरेटिवली लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. ALPS Association is the Association of Label Printers and Suppliers. So we have with us Mr. Gururaj Ballarwar, the President, and Mr. Ajay Agarwal as Vice President. So we are really honored to be here and congratulations for this beautiful program and this launch of the program. So Mr. Gururaj ji would like to know something about your association, your members, and also from you, sir.
Our association is a very young association of 2.5 years, and main members are label print converters and as well suppliers. Both have an equal stake, and we work together to enable our members to get updated the information what is happening in the industry technologically as well as work towards sustainability.
So from Vice President Sir Mr. Ajay sir, we would like to know the initiative that you have taken. Would like to know a view on it and the goals that you are taking together with Avery Dennison today and ALPS that is taking for the waste management and recycling the waste that is generated from the labels manufacturing or the production.
Yeah, thank you so much. We are a very young organization, and our organization's goals were to look and for our members, see what are the issues that we are facing. And one of the bigger issues, which is probably a very important issue, is the waste management that we generate during the process of our manufacturing. And we took up this issue almost 1.5 years ago, and we started working on this issue, trying to look out ways to sustainably dispose whatever the waste is being generated. And we partnered with Avery Dennison, who was a supplier member of our fraternity, and came out with testing and other working, and came out now with solutions, which is what we are launching today, is the Advantage program, where whatever waste is being generated within our industry, that complete waste can be sustainably disposed of in a manner where the recycling is also possible and minimal harm to the environment is being done. So that is the emphasis of the whole process and the launch today, and that is what we want to achieve.
And we have with us Mr. Pankaj Bhardwaj, Managing Director, Avery Dennison. We would like to know about this initiative, about this program, Advantage Waste Management Program, and what induced you to take this initiative in collaboration with ALPS.
Well, as you can say, this is called Advantage Waste Management Program. Advantage is a bouquet of services that we render to our customers beyond products. The program primarily intends at ensuring that we are able to collect the waste generated in the ecosystem and gets responsibly recycled. Avery Dennison has been laying a lot of emphasis on ensuring that our planet becomes more sustainable, and in that way we have indeed published our sustainability goals for 2025 very transparently with the ecosystem stakeholders. This program would further the cause of in fact achieving one of the objectives that we have for achieving 2025, which is that we would eliminate 70% of the waste generated in the ecosystem. Well, we have been working on this program for fairly long. We are happy that we are able to conceptualize and design the program the way it can get implemented. And I'm happier that our association with ALPS is in fact taking the next stride. ALPS is our implementation or execution partner, which is going to ensure that the awareness about the program is going to the places, and ALPS also becomes the spoke and the focal point for ensuring that the inquiries from the industry and the questions from the industry are well addressed.
Right. So what is the response that you're getting from this program launched? I'm sure quite a lot of people were here today and they had many questions. In otherwise, apart from this program in this sector, what is the response of this program as a whole? This awareness of generating this waste which is being recycled for a better cause?
See, the response is quite encouraging for the very fact that we are talking of one of the biggest challenge that the industry had. And challenge is responsibly disposing of the waste generated. So we are giving our customers and partners an option of getting rid of one of the biggest challenges. So naturally the program is fairly encouraged. Few months back, we had launched a program called Liner Recycling, which is more intended for the brand owners, the people who actually use the product that gets supplied by the industry. And that program is also very well received and encouraged. To take some examples, Himalaya was the first company to sign up for that program, and they have made significant progress in taking it forward. We are seeing more and more brand owners joining that program, and I'm very happy that this program is quite well taken by the industry.
So I just would like to know, what is the message you're giving to your members of your association, and what is encouraging them so much for this waste management, because it's a really high time that every of the organizations, associations and factories should take this initiative of recycling every of their waste. So is ALPS Association right now doing so. So what is a small message you want to give your association members?
Well, we have a responsibility towards the planet, and we have a responsibility towards the environment. And the message that I give in is that everybody must do their bit and every bit possible to see that we are a responsible citizen, responsible inhabitant of this Mother Earth, and give whatever recyclability is possible. And that's what we are focusing on.
Save Earth. It's Save Earth.
Right.
Well, sustainability is not one person's agenda. It is agenda of everybody. Everybody has to contribute to ensure that we create a planet that is worth living for futures to come. That being the case, this problem needs to be solved by the collaboration. So I'll appeal everybody in the industry to come together, work with us, ensure that we are able to collaborate and come out with the solutions and the products that are befitting the sustainability cause for future. I think that's the message that I want to leave everybody with. We are very open and very transparent in terms of hearing the views of our customers and our suppliers, and we would like to collaborate with them to unveil the programs of this kind and magnitude.
So after the launch of the pilot program, that is the Labels as a Waste Management pilot program that you had launched in September 2019, they have taken this initiative of the Advantage Waste Management program and now they are hoping for launching this in every cities to create more and more awareness of it. So I would wish all the very best to the ALPS for launching. I can foresee you can launch in all the cities, yes, and also have a huge number of waste that you are collecting and taking this good initiative and making good world.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.